market. You know how we have got an entry, how we have moved all the way from scratch after spotting our chart pattern, and after spotting that chart pattern, how we got an entry. Hello, what's up traders? Welcome back. This is 2ManFX. As you guys, you know how we do it, how we know how we kill the market, you know how we got the very man. So guys, today's market we got to see how can you use some chart patterns, and out of this chart pattern we got to look about a triangle chart pattern. Guys, if you don't know how to use a triangle chart pattern, just go watch the video which is above here on this right corner of your screen. Go watch that video. You got to see how you trade a triangle chart pattern, and how can you spot this triangle chart pattern in the market, and how can you take a trade chart pattern in the market. So guys, this is, let me say, like, this is the next episode of a triangle chart pattern. So guys, today, as you can see, that the market was in a strong downtrend, and this is for our time frame. This is CAD CHF. So guys, you can see that the market was in a strong downtrend, and here we got a change of character. Once we got a change of character, guys, because the market came and respected this zone, it went all the way down, but when on coming back, let me say, it was a correction, but it gave us a change of character. And once we get this change of character, we gain again a break of resistance, or what we call a break of structure. Once we get a break of structure, guys, you just know that the market is now pushing all the way above, because it failed to push below. We want to see the market breaking this low, but it failed, and instead it started breaking our resistance zone. So good to go. That once we see this, guys, what we do, we start spotting some chart patterns. So for example, like here, for the chart pattern that I can spot, it is a triangle chart pattern. And once you see a triangle chart pattern, guys, you can see that this is our first touch, giving us a second touch, which gave us a base of a triangle chart pattern, or a holding support zone of a triangle of this triangle chart pattern. And now once you get to see that, guys, we expect another touch of a triangle chart pattern, and after another touch somewhere like here, because the market is almost approaching our support line, our support zone, and after the market reaching here, we expect a push or a bounce back from here. So where do we find our holding resistance trend line? Because this is a triangle chart pattern. So this is our first touch, second touch, and you can see that we already have now a clear triangle chart pattern. Good. You can see that the market was pushing above, and this style of pushing above, it broke structure here, man. So it came back, giving us another touch. It went above, giving us another touch, which gave us this holding resistance trend line, which also this touch, which gave us a holding support zone. So boom, guys, once we see that, what we do now, it is the time for us to wait. You know how we trade this chart pattern. So I want to see the market coming here, and after coming here, I want to see a break of this triangle chart pattern, or the break of this holding resistance trend line, and it comes back for a retracement. After a retracement, this is the time we spot an entry here, man. So after spotting an entry with candlestick pattern confirmation, we take a trade all the way above. So guys, this is the time for you sit down and relax and watch the market. What is it doing? So let's see what came out of this, guys. So you can see that the market is now pushing up below, and it has already touched our support zone of this triangle chart pattern. And once it touched our support zone, guys, it even tried to break, but it failed. It was rejected, and this is a good indication, guys, showing that the market is going to respect this zone. For example, let me give you a trick, that once the market has not broken below this zone, let me increase it here. Once the market doesn't break below and it closes below this zone remains very strong for us. So let's keep playing and see what happens. You can see that the market has rejected several times, and what we want to see, guys, you know that we want to see a break of this holding resistance trend line of the triangle chart pattern, and after breakout we got to wait for a retracement, and on a retracement, that is the time we got to see if we can get a buy. So boom, you can see that the market is trying to break, but still it is still struggling to break. Still we have not yet got a clear breakout. We want to see more than one candlestick opening and closing above or outside the triangle chart pattern, but still we can see that one candlestick opened and closed, then the next candlestick opened and closed outside, but still the third candlestick closed inside the triangle chart pattern. So still we got our engulfing candlestick, but still want to see a clear breakout so that we can take a trade, guys. As I tell you always, I tell my students that patience will rarely do disappoint in this market. So with patience, as you wait for good confirmations to take a trade. So when we are looking for good confirmations to take a trade, we avoid a lot of things. We avoid long-term drawdowns and we avoid stop loss hand. Once you're waiting for a retracement, or let me say you're waiting for a clear confirmation, waiting is all that we need in trading. As you know, people say, or as you know, it is being said that waiting in this market is the key to success. Patience, man. So let's see how we could have got. You can see now the market has opened and closed for the second time outside. So guys, this can give us a clear confirmation that the market is gonna go all the way up, and now this is the time for us to look for entry. So what we want to see here, man, what we want to see is the engulfing candlestick pattern, and I cannot take this engulfing candlestick pattern simply because buyers are rejected too much, guys. You can see that the body of the candlestick is smaller than the wick, and this can be a hammer, an inverted hammer candlestick, and you know, an inverted hammer candlestick, it will never be a continuation candlestick, man. So what you want to see, we still need more confirmation. Boom, you can see that the market now, it is still coming down, showing us a retracement. So as I myself now, we can see that here, what I can see, it is a rectangle chart pattern, and you know, of course, a rectangle chart pattern, it is a continuation chart pattern. Because now we have confirmed now a breakout, so it is the time for us to struggle and see how we can get man an entry. Still we are waiting to see how to get an entry. Let's keep playing, man. Let's keep playing and seeing what we do. Boom, you can see how this candlestick came in, and you see what really happened here. It is really interesting. The market was playing around. It gave us a rectangle chart pattern, which is a continuation chart pattern, and it gave us a breakout of this rectangle chart pattern with a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. So for me, guys, this is the time for me to execute a buy. So once I see this, I just execute my buy here. It is time for you to tap on that buy button, and you put your stop loss all the way down here. So where is our TP, man? Our first TP is supposed to be on this high. Let me mark it for you. This is our first TP. Let me mark it, TP1, and after putting that TP1, guys, where is our next TP? Our next TP, we just got to zoom out completely and see where do we put our next TP. So guys, this is our next TP here, man. This is our next TP, and this is TP2, and of course after marking TP2, we got to see where is a possible take profit 3. Now, so for now, guys, this is a higher time frame. That means you got to be a swing trader. So for me, I can say let me use this TP2, or we can say that let us use this take profit 3, bro. So once we put this take profit 3, let's mark it as well. This is our final take profit, because this is gonna run, man, for a long time, and you got to see how we can hold this trade and all the way down. So guys, let's see how this thing plays out. You know how we have got an entry, how we have moved all the way from scratch after spotting our chart pattern, and after spotting that chart pattern, how we got an entry. It all came up from patience, waiting to see how we can get confirmation, and out of that confirmation, we have got now an entry. So it is time for us to set this trade, to set our entries, to set our stop loss, to set our take profits, and hold and wait to see what the market got to do. So let's see how, guys, we can move also, how we got to move also our break even. So now, boom, you can see now our take profit is just being hit within a short period of time. So for us to take this to put our stop loss to break even, guys, you want to see that the market is breaking here and breaking again. Once it breaks this high, guys, it is the time for us to move our stop loss to break even. Boom, you can see now the market has broken this high, because we couldn't take this because it is nearby this level. So once we got another break of structure, this is the time for us to move our stop loss to this low. This is our stop loss, break even. Let me mark it as well. Break even, stop loss. Good. Stop loss, good. So that is our break even, stop loss. So that means this trade is gonna be a risk-free trade. So let's see if our take profit 2 is hit, and once our take profit 2 is hit, guys, it is the time for us to look for another break even stop loss position where we could report our position, our stop loss, moving from all of these profits which were locked, and we see how we can lock more profits out of this trade. Let's keep playing and see, guys. Boom, our take profit 2 is being hit, and this is good enough for us to exit this market or hold a long-term buy. So guys, for me, I cannot hold this long-term buy simply because the market is going to get some versus. You know what is happening with this market nowadays. We have news which are coming in. This is a new month, and news which are coming in are very strong now, guys. You can see that the market is going all the way above, and this trade is still running. So once the market comes and reaches somewhere here, this is the time for us to move stop loss to this low, and once we put our stop loss to this low, we get to relax and see if our take profit is being hit. So guys, as you can see now, the market, how it is being played and how we got to spot this entry. So guys, if you like this video, guys, what I want from you is all that hitting that subscribe button, like the video, share the video, and we got to make in the next episode. Recently, bro, I have another video which is coming out, and I don't know, guys, some people were like asking, why are you not posting more strategies over scalping boom and crash? Good, guys, I have a lot of strategies that I have in the studio which are not yet being edited, and I will post them, all of them, very soon. I got to start posting these strategies as well. Thank you guys for watching. Wish you the best in your trading career, bro. Boom.